Hey entrepreneurs! Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your business? Today, I'm diving into a game-changer, Enterprise SEO. First off, what exactly is Enterprise SEO? Well, it's essentially a large-scale SEO strategy tailored for businesses with extensive websites and a vast array of pages. Think of it as SEO on steroids. Why should you care? Because in the digital world, visibility is everything. Enterprise SEO helps your business rank higher on search engines, which means more traffic, more leads, and ultimately, more sales. One of the key benefits of Enterprise SEO is that it focuses on scaling. Imagine having a website with thousands of pages. Manually optimizing each one? Impossible. Enterprise SEO automates and streamlines this process, ensuring each page is optimized for the best search engine performance. Now, let's talk about the competitive edge. In today's cutthroat market, staying ahead of the competition is crucial. Enterprise SEO keeps you in the loop with the latest trends and algorithm updates, so you're always one step ahead. But here's the kicker. Doing it alone can be overwhelming. That's where an expert agency comes into play. With 14 years of experience, delivering both national and international projects and customized pricing, The SEO Guy is your go-to partner. The SEO Guy offers transparency and budget-friendly services that are trusted by top-rated brands. They know the ins and outs of enterprise SEO and can tailor strategies specifically for your business needs. Let's break down how an agency can help upscale your business. First, comprehensive website audits. They identify the strengths and weaknesses of your site, offering actionable insights for improvement. Second, keyword research. Targeting the right keywords is crucial for attracting the right audience. Third, content optimization. Quality content that's SEO friendly can make all the difference. Last but not least, link building. High-quality backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. The more you have, the higher you rank on search engines. At the SEO Guy, they offer all this and more. Their local presence in Delhi, NCR, means they understand the regional market intricacies, while their international experience gives them a global perspective. Ready to skyrocket your business? Contact the SEO Guy today by visiting www.theseoguy.in or call +91 9968 182198. Let's take your business to new heights together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business.